What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, Rosealee come unleash on our whole community and also GX, everybody get it, all our mother. You see me I say, I'm a people, me have something to share with you know with the mother. You see me I say that a Rosealee mother, like she share our upbringing my people. You see me, and me also have something with the cat woman and she. Them a talk about like Rosealee mother and the whole like her having Rosealee and oh, you know what I mean, and oh she have Rosealee with. You see me I say my people, and me don't know if they ever sit down and talk Rosealee and her mother, but Rosealee supposed to understand because she a big woman of her youth them by now. She supposed to understand the trauma where her mother go through and the situations where her mother go through, and that she never have a good like teen years. You see me I say, because she did have her, you understand, although she never live with her, that have to spoil up anybody teen years, right? So me feel like say Rosealee, if you understand, cause when I go hear she and the cat woman I go talk oh the whole situation go, the Rosealee mother, Rosealee father somewhat, cause not the full story them know or whatever, you know what I mean? So we are going to get either that and hear with them as some people. We also have a bunch of things with people, you know what I mean? We may not remember some of them. And I must say I can't remember it, but sometimes I have the video them in the phone or maybe an hour or two and then I add to it and whatever. You see me I say, so sometimes I can't, even if I go back and I look and come do this now, the only way I would remember everything. Sometimes I remember everything, but only way I can guarantee if I remember everything, I stop this, go back, go look, and I can't bother with that. We in a video mode. You see me I say, so whatever I don't hear in the intro and I go see in the video, I maybe we'll add more things as we go on with people, so we could get in it.
Go and scrape labyrinth teeth, lend me a clit. I'm going to scrape labyrinth teeth. The lady teeth stay bad for sure, then I'm not going to lie me at him. My teeth stay bad. It's still bad. When I go like on the see show, that goes to show that someone have to take care of the mama. Take care of the mama. When I see the truth, I want the night. I don't have some germs, you know. When I have some germs. For sure, you know. I don't have some germs. For sure. I think I did brace. I see Labrador in a long time, but girl, you know, she not paying. I think I think. What did I talk about before Laverne? What did I talk about before Laverne? I think I think, man. Yeah, TC. So TC, come out and make video and then regular follow the baby, man. When people used to say I wasn't lying, they must have about to know, because I'm not working in them favor. Remember say I wouldn't take shit to stay high. I wouldn't take doodle for stay high. No boy can dog out me. No boy. I wouldn't take doodle for stay high. No boy can shit for me. I'm mad. What you say? And then you stand up in a dance and go like on a portion and things, you know. Hey, I say sometimes them stand up in a dance, you know, and them a go on like them a center table, you see. Them a go on like them a center table when them a one burner. Yeah, it's a cold stove there. Them a go on like them a center table, see there? Man no want to, you know. Man want girl without hip. Man want girl without stiff titty. I don't know what the boy them want to suck the breast them from the navel. Them want to put them mouth on the nipple right down on the navel here, so we don't know what the man name. The man name all want to go behind you, go near the nipple when you show your breast over here, so we don't know what the stiff titty girl name. Man just a dog on out and not enable man. I want to enable a seat there, the TC can come around and talk to nobody. Eh? TC the funny part about life in the world, she say Rosealee man a clown around, you know. But the world does say you I get a big commercial. A commercial you are doing. If you're still in a bash can make somebody buy you. You know for advertise things. Yeah. Nothing know like at least everybody knows the series I get to Rosealee and it could be true. It could be true for Rosealee. One day Rosealee I keep the faith. At least we see that. But you will come up post with something when real. The joke is on here. Joke is that one of the titty stiffy, one of it broad so we just little belly snatch. Not in a lie man still not look and dance. Da da dee da da do donkey 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 water. He has to hold him jaw. Supposed to take my destiny. Martin, you tell me say you reach like nobody did miss you. Uh-oh, surprise, you weren't missed. Yeah, come attack. I want you about my reach. I want to see Martin. Nah, sis members, Martin, you reach at TC. We actually can't muggle upon the baby mother. Yeah, them always say just a girl upon the side took the best. It's a pity Rochelle is not that test. Yeah, for true. Cause Rochelle, she leave from wife to outside. Rochelle come like a relationship, you ever notice? No, my face say Rochelle nowhere, you know. My face say Rochelle nowhere. Then what a way Rosealee come out in her bang, Rosealee favor fat Chinese, when I say Rosealee, I say a precious part too. Then money get back a job. Rosealee come out, Rosealee little bang chow up, it not even neat. We not shame Portia. Rosealee, don't let me call Portia. Yeah, when I shame Rosealee little bang come out. Come from underneath the filter, Rosealee. You're supposed to hug me the truth. But not tell no like Rosealee, then you gotta tell me the truth. Okay. Sometimes when I like when tell Martin send me the mix up them, you know. I'm type to tell Martin, stop send me mix up me in my church. Go suck out. Then what are we being most in Cah Badda and she active, a Wolverine. Cah Badda Wolverine, she come in a X-Men, she heal quick though. And she in a Vampire Diaries. I don't like how the veil bus in a Cah Badda and she revive already. I just not like it. Something not right about it. I say Cah Badda say the veil bus in and the lady healing. When the woman come and tell her say she blessed believer. Believe the lady. I see the lady Sunday and said, they can't stop me, and the Anna move and the veil burst. The veil bust in the lady and she couldn't walk. Then the veil connect to the foot sometimes, you know. Depending on which one of the guitar string them pop. Lord Jesus, I have to wash out them clothes there, you know, I have too much clothes. I have too much clothes. I get up this morning and I wipe, yeah. I dust, yeah. No man, we need a man. After all of this work, I think I deserve a backers. I won't wear this, then won't wear that nowhere else to advertise. Won't wear that supposed to have none in night. The last time I go to my wool girl, they got teeth, then take my picture put up as they come in and see me. Won't wear that pay fandangles themselves. Go on, yeah?
Well, my people, me always say a woman no fi left her man because of bun, but me can say this to my people. If a man go there go bun him woman and get a youth out there, him deserve to get left. You see me I say? And especially if him and him woman no get no youth together, him deserve to get left. It up to the woman now whether she want, you know what I mean, have him if she want to stay with him or not. You see me I say, because that the woman there and that the youth they got in him life you have to say for the rest of him life whether she, you know what I mean, approve or not. You see me? So you can go ahead and left. Me can't say that. You know what I mean? As for the rest of things that she bought that talk about, let me know what you think. Make me watch some more.
Not even them number 2 pence for real. And them rubber tick and can't even go. Now can't worry about my mistake, I still get wrong bad. I'm just naturally done. Yeah, but I'm naturally done. Maybe I don't words, you know, maybe I mean, maybe I just me for sure. Yeah, maybe I just me. I see how Candy wrap up King and tell King say things that blow from him bottom. When Candy tell King about him bottom, I just want to sing like a river, lock your bottom, it's rough. Say that video, yeah, I'm not sending a video and I know nobody thinks I'm here for him from the app like that. Yeah, Jesus. You know, say, them I said this is Rosealee. I don't want to no trouble. Wanna see it? Them said that to the child, my love, see it, you know? Big Mama can never make it, and Big Mama go, you know? Big Mama go. Yeah, Rosealee, every time she does go down, son. Me don't know down with a question, me. Who them ugly people here? Yes, come here. Let me go down here, little that chat. Hold on there. I'm glad to get the video.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Device paired.
Cash, kill, feel share. When you live a foreign, you're supposed to get share. You can't see the shame in them. And that's come live with plate and I can't show in my blood clot house. If I never used to clean it, I start clean it. Come get hot overnight. Me can't hot a mouse, not hot. The two are hot, me can't clean a mouse, not clean. Yes, some are full of pride, some are clean it. Some are ready for run out of the bathroom 360 everything.
Moving right now.
The damn them book of the Angola splash. Book of the and January 1st Angola splash. The money of father, sister, auntie, nephew, uncle, sister. Everybody, one shot like for the app. Major. January 1st. I'm going to 365. We're not armed. Yeah. We have a roll out for the done. We book feet. We never look feet. Come out.
Nothing. I know Rosealee, can we sun visor, you know? That used to make me feel like she go watch Tiger Woods a play. I wouldn't call that golf. Yeah, me not ask, you know. Me like them. They're nice, see? Birds of a feather. They're real bad.
Yes,
Jakes, me not go stand up and make your style Diamond. She named Diamond. See if you can say that. Diamond, not in the hard. Not a Guinness bucket. Her name is Diamond. Kartel need her vagina. So stop it.
bullshit. We never hear that. People may hear say that. Man, I behind them. Our enablers, them. You understand? Them quick life.
Yeah!
Because them feel like say. And once the people forget gift on the app. So you have some people, you know, who just feel like say, and one set of people forget gift on the app. Because yesterday, without yarn, we get few who give share come send more online and you know, the team put me on number one, and the whole team put me on.
Yeah, man, listen to Jakes. Jakes got me tired. Jakes got me tired. Jakes a chat about nothing. Then where RT Bass and Pops YG have Martin. Where RT Bass and Pops YG. Boy, RT Bass are real batty boy, you know. Hear this now.
I'm after the last person. Pick up the one on the friend dead. And me watch you that party and a drink with no moral to say you own a friend dead. And you don't have no moral. Did you ever hear Pops talk about him have a best friend named Tom, man? Let's be honest. Did you ever hear of that? Pretty sure the man killing own a friend. He don't even come talk, so you know say I have a friend where I respect him.
You know say I'm good for Pops YG. I'll tell you why. You see RT Bass and Pops attack. RT Bass might be telling lies, you know, but however, it might have some form of steadiness to what he's saying, you know, when he say, me think say, and this is what me feel, but if he say RT Bass and Pops didn't look each other, but if he say RT Bass didn't look Pops, and Pops didn't get RT Bass that little line there. Let's not forget, oh, RT Bass didn't look World Dog, and World Dog come back, come talk, say, yeah, me take your money, yes? Who remember that? I believe, say, RT Bass didn't look Pops. I'm never telling you the truth. I believe RT Bass didn't look Pops. Pops never entertained nor deny. Me not right.
I don't have the moral to talk that. Because who you ever talk that when you want to kill your friend? Who you ever talk that? No sacrifice on it because Pops broke in and then no sacrifice down there. It's just that a badness and two them want get to me. But one thing I want to know, I want that when you want to room, I want to hear this. I'm in Jamaica. And I go party every night, and plus I'm going very and I'm going Mecca. Not pussy can make me run there from Jamaica. Not a my law. But that's all I tell you. Because one thing you know, when every night with that road, me make my two blood clot gun and me bulletproof. So when I go take me bulletproof and remember you just hear what I say.
You see, but no for sure, Nessa Purple, I don't believe, you see, sometimes, me I will tell you the truth. Sometimes some people understand their lifestyle, and even so they understand your lifestyle, they're not showing you, know, they try to treat you accordingly. Now, RT Bass use a lot of stuff to catch people, both man and woman, and a lot of bribe. You get what me I say, never get through, so no one carry ill feeling. Everybody must remember how RT Bass is a predator. He's a predator. You know, no fun with escape on the cranium, on the memory. Yes. Because even so, Pop still not disrespect him, you know. And that me I say, you know, say so.
My people, you see, all me have to say about that situation, yeah? You see, RT is a man where me feel like, say, you say, if him not get to him one, he will go the extreme. You see me I say? And let me tell you something, my people. You see, when a person show you who they are, best believe. You see me I say? Because I don't know this man at all. And still a team him with him certain way. So, I don't know what to think.
Something to the story, but either way, it cannot be said because people are going to say, then Pops remember say, yeah, it's friend with Batty Boy. Even so, but it's out of respect and no RT Bass are true, but they respect in a Pop's face. That's why nobody enough respect them dead Batman man, you know. RT Bass too hypocritical. sweet, you know.
You go suck your mother. Any video where you have with me, leak it. Any voice note where you say you have with me, leak it. Yo, let me your phone. Let me your phone. RT boss, me I tell you again. You can't go suck your mother. Any video where you have with me, leak it. Any voice note where you say you have with me, leak it. Yo, let me.
See, this is the thing when me I talk about, you know. You try to threaten the youth. You understand me forgetting your way. I saw no stay. I tell you say, when you see Rosealee behave a particular way, it's a batty man behavior. And I think I lie with that. When you say batty boy behavior, this coming like Tycoon and Shamar. This coming like Tycoon and Shamar. Me not ask you. Yeah? This coming like Tycoon and Shamar. Yeah, batty feelings I carry. Lord. Me say one man, if always a come for dime, I can even play. Last video you want to say.
Lag of jam. Answer.
What I have to say about Rosealee and the matching pajama people? What I have to say? When I think Jakes are overreact, let me see on the hand. When I think Jakes are overreact, people. No. Yes. Yes. Patrick say yes. Jesus, I can't take the mix up coming from the front next. Yeah. Martin, me can't do that. Me don't feel like beating. Yes, hell no. He is right. He is right. Alright, you see for all of the people that will say yes, Jakes are overreact. But I tell you the truth. He might have a reason for go over the top. It's bad enough when a man and pick me as a father. The competition start. You think the man try to prove you, show you up or whatever. And I think boundaries need to stand in some relationship, or most relationship. You must have boundaries. You say Jake's right, you know, because it is not out of love. It is out of mere excitement and what you can use the kids to make him make some more money. You get what I say, big here? Jakes understand that. And you say, Akeem, these are the stuff that I cannot, but I can't blame Akeem because once you support a boy, yeah. I can't bother with you. Remember some dirty people on the app too, you know. Remember some dirty, so cocky people on the app, you know. Remember someone who own some dark shit, you know, on the internet, you know. We don't see nothing wrong, you know. Make your mate take care of your picnic better than how you take care of your picnic. You shall show you up, you feel bad. You feel bad, you don't want to do that, you don't even send your picnic go down our yard. And this Christmas the father now see that you pick a dry wire with him.
Say the mother wicked and the mother no like her, and the mother wicked and the mother no like her.
So that means says your grandmother and your father and them tell you them this thing.
And them tell you them things that are traumatized. Why you come listen, the mother no go through traumatization too. Let me ask that question. If you are 15 and a big old man like that breed you, in my ped, me not care what nobody wants to say. Pedophile is a big man who breed a little pitney. And then when you finally get her to come live with you, you beat the shit out of her. So you're not run. You sit down and take a lick for the rest of your life. At 15, what level of care she think a 15-year-old when go give her? Enough people breed at 15 and the parents take the pitney and raise them because she's too young to raise it.
Rosealee mother breed when she have 15 and she breed for a big man.
A big man?
A big old man. And a little boy, you know? A big old man.
A big old man at 15 and you expect to she I gonna do the most for you at 15-year-old. How much a uno? Cause me can't say me. But how much a uno grow with no grandparents? How much?
Me.
You traumatized?
No.
Okay. How much a uno? Uno not see uno parents until una old, a big somebody. And still come out good.
But Royal, question to eat for everybody. It's not everybody have luck to have good mother. Some of we get pregnant young. Some of we get pregnant when we are 12, 13, 14, 15. Is a child taking care of a child?
Alright people, tell me what you think in the comment section, cause that me did say to my people, look pan oh fear mother have her and something. Rosealee is supposed to sympathize with her mother and stay by her side and do whatever she can for her. You see me I say? So let me know what you think, my people.
Nobody don't want to look that Laverne was a child. A child. She did the right thing by giving you to the grandmother and the father. Because they are grown adults.
It's not everybody have support like Summer way. You have Summer who are breed where we are 15, but we have a mother in our corner. We have a one auntie we check for we. We have a sister we look out for we. And we have a brother or something like that. Rosealee grandmother is a traditional generation where them head part no good. Rosealee grandmother head no good. Laverne come head no good. And this one head no good neither because I can see say she have a problem too, in a real mental problem. What we really deal with? If the grandmother head not so good and Rosealee mother get pregnant to her when she are 15, she not have the support.
She not have no support because
she not have no support. Nobody
say you forget to tell the people them. Make remind the people
tell her say you're 15, come and show you how to feed your baby. You're 15, come and show you how to change the pampers or the nappy. You're 15, come and show you how to bathe the baby, how to stretch the baby neck, how to stretch the hand. And them something them learn as a young mother at the age of 17. My mother teach me that.
Make help me people them here, because some people new to these things. Make help me people them here to the story where Laverne tell we. Laverne grew herself. She never used to see no mother neither. Laverne grew up on the road. She come like couldn't forget. So our Rose traumatized and Rose grow with our grandparents. That our father, mother and our father. But Laverne when they on the street from her yard, they are knee no traumatized. We not beat down a woman. We have to grow ourselves. And a big man come fuck her off because that is me I go call that rape because guess what? She's 15.
Alright, Ryan, me ask you a question. And this maybe sound a little bit weird or harsh or something, but me listen, I understand what you're saying, right? And you're saying Laverne grew up on the street. Laverne never grew with her mother, right? And she grew with she grew by herself. She grew up on the street or whatever. No mother. Come back again. Remember now, you know, Laverne mother feel Laverne. Listen. Alright. Laverne have our daughter Rosealee.
Yes.
Rosealee. Laverne never grew Rosealee. Rosealee grew with our grandparents, right?
And our father.
And our father, okay? Do Laverne feel Rosealee?
No, me not say that.
No, listen up. Laverne feel Rosealee by not growing her, yes or no?
No, me not think so.
She
don't know better.
Listen up, come on man. Alright.
Know better.
Listen up, she have 15, she know better.
She know better.
Alright, listen. Alright, some say yes, some say no. Okay. She feel her.
Her father feel her.
Listen. She feel her. Me, to my opinion, me feel she feel her. But the next generation now, Rosealee have Shanta and Barbar. What the next step?
Come again. She have Shanta and Barbar. What the next step?
Yeah.
The next step is because Rosealee head not too right and the father.
So me ask you a question. Rosealee feel Shanta and Barbar?
Of course.
Okay. So we want to see right there. So no one will curse that.
Wait. Me want to say something to you.
Okay, me
Rosealee
come
never
back,
have
yeah?
Chantal and Barbara when
Alright.
she a pitney, you know.
Alright.
Rosealee was an adult when she have Chantal and Barbara, you know.
I'm asking a question. May I show you
Wait a minute,
something?
let me finish.
Follow the page, you hear, Shay?
He was
Yeah, man.
with
Alright,
Sonny, me
me
I
a
go
come
come
down.
off and make your talk.
No, me I come down. Me soon come back.
Alright, listen. She was with the father. Remember, so one time the father denied the pitney, you know. And the mother too. Remember? So she had breed for the whole 9 months. She there with different man, you know. Because she, guess what, at 15, nobody now help her, you know. She a breed, you know. She don't live nowhere, you know. Alright, come here. She have the pitney. At a point, she go live with the father. You know what the mother say? That I love her and say, Rosealee father used to beat her. You go sit down in a beating? At 15, you know, take up your hand in your foot in your hand and run like I say you're 10. But
Yes, Royal. But I'm going to say this. Rose mother never grew her, right? I'm going to put this on one next to you know. Example, me no grow my son, but I am there. I'm not feel him. I am there.
Nay,
you know, me can say I am there financially.
Yes.
Financially, mentally, everything me there. I me send for him. I me buy him clothes.
Good mother.
But them shelter him.
Right.
You understand? We have a relationship. Listen, Royal, we have a relationship.
Yes.
Having a child and don't have a relationship. Our different thing that too, you know. You didn't know that?
Okay.
Have a child and don't have a relationship is a different thing that, you know.
Can I say something to you?
You see, you don't have to grow your child to have a relationship with your child, you know.
How she feel? Oh, somebody said and you fail. How did she fail?
Kitty, let me ask you a question. Wait, so them a go let her mother alone can grow up with me. Wait a minute. Let me ask you a question, Kitty. You hear when she say from she a baby, them a beat it in her head, say her mother wicked. What if when Rosealee there with the mother, grandmother and the grandfather, them prevent her from counsel Rosealee? Or them prevent her from come round Rosealee? Remember they say from that little girl.
Too sensitive to your share? No?
Who sensitive for? Who said that?
Somebody has said it.
No, we just have a dialogue.
That can't sensitive for me because I grow the two of my pity them so cold. So that can't sensitive for me. Come here, listen.
Listen. A mother alone now if you grow up pitney. If you in a one situation and the father is in a better situation, give the father the pitney and go get yourself together.
Yeah.
I don't understand why these people think say you have it. Your life not start and done with children. The mother never have it, but the father is a big grown woman. The father was a big grown man with having jobs and everything.
Laverne. Well, on the Raya, Laverne get pregnant with Rose when she was 15 years old, and she knew that she could not provide the life, so she never have nowhere to lay her head. So she give Rose to somebody where she know we can actually take care of her.
The father and the mother.
Yeah, but alright, granted, you grow up and now you become a big woman and you have your two pitney them. Why did you fail yours? And you had a roof over your head and you have money and you have all the things that you did not have growing up. So why did you fail yours?
Alright.
Question, why did you fail yours and you had all the resources in this world? You had money, you had the kids that are father, you had a roof over their head. You have your kids. Why did you fail yours?
Okay.
And they did not take her kids when she was selling peanuts. They took her kids when she was on the internet making money.
Making big money.
There is no reason why you should have met CDA come to your pitney them. Because you know why? Me, Shanta do not like her mother because probably, me don't know. You understand me? Because the Jakes probably spend more time. You them, let me tell you what the Rose. Rose wants somebody to reward her, to take care of her, pitney them. That is your job as a mother. Because every minute they talk about when you buy for pitney them, what is if you have a year pitney more than the pit father? Because it's here.
Some people tell me what they think in the comment section. We're going to go over Rosealee mother and I'm going to hear from her mouth. You know what I mean? So we can watch some more of this, then we move on and go over there.
Kids more than the father. You bear that child for 9 months.
Niece, you know much man over here? You know much man over here is house husband? You know much man over here with their wife go work and them staying at home with the pitney?
Me cannot say she deal with her kids them wicked
Okay.
Ben studio because we do not know on the internet. We can only go off of what we see her how we hear she deal with her kids them. If you have money and all these things, why you make CDA come take your pitney them when they actually have resources? You have a house, you pitney them have a father, you have money, you have all these things in this world. The way I see you push out for the man, I don't see you push out for your pitney them.
But again, never show you something again. But never show you something again, Nisin. We lead back down to the way how she deal with the kids, right?
Right.
And it's there to say there is no relationship between she and the kids, right? Because of the aggressive behavior towards the kids, right?
Right.
No love, no remorse, nothing. You get what I'm saying?
But Kitty, if she can't tell them
and again, she don't stop a child and let a child know she's in a child's space. You understand what I say? It's about the child, their own adults, and I hear big people talking. There are no boundaries, there no, so the child just go off. Mommy, you there, man, yard. No, keep it in the car and put blood clot me so.
1 minute. Me can I say something?
Speak. Somebody
in the comments say people send CDA to Rosealee yard. Is send them. So question chat, my question to Uno now. Did anybody send CDA to Rosealee yard or they see what she said on the internet public? So all of us that she's gonna analyze the kids them and she feel like for us analyze the pit them and us burn down the house.
If it's a case of CDA, when you call CDA upon people and then just go pick up and pitney them, what if we would have pitney them?
Okay.
What if people would have them pitney them?
But again, CDA been a watch. Remember this is a whole platform, you know. Remember this is TikTok. Everybody a watch. Right now, police are watch me and share. Everybody, ICE a watch me, see me and share. FBI a watch me and share. Everybody a watch me and share. This is a whole TikTok.
Hi, can I say something, Kitty?
Yes, I see you low.
Okay. I'm low. You hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. Rose don't have any excuse. Why? I grew up in an abusive home. I am 34-year-old right now, right? I grew up in an abusive home, right? I have 6 kids and I treat my kids and them totally old me get treated young. You understand? My mommy didn't grow me. Is my step-grandmother grows me, right? She grow me, she treat me different than how she treat Fishy Pitney and them. Me come like a Cinderella. Me no go nowhere, me no watch TV. Me up 5 o'clock from Sunday to Sunday. Me have to pie press, me have to wash, cook and clean. Me get pregnant at 17-year-old because guess what? I was following friends. Right? And my oldest is 17 right now and she's still a virgin. I have 6 kids. I am married for 10 years now. You understand? I migrated from Jamaica living in Antigua with my husband and all my kids and them. So if you even grew up in a abusive home, if your mother gave away because you couldn't manage what the situation be, you can come grow up in life and say, here, anytime me and my pitney and them, the mistake that my mother make, I will make it for my pitney and them.
Thank you. The same thing when you go come up and say.
You
have to have a better life. You have to make the changes. Nobody go. No use where your mother do you or whatever you do where you get in the past. That's in the past. That is the past.
Right.
You have to look for the future. You have to know what you want.
And Sassy, you cannot take out your trauma where you get from other people by your mother. It's wrong. Because your mother wasn't around to grow you to give you those trauma.
Thank you.
You're not talking about the people that will give you the trauma, but you want your mother give. When you wasn't even around your mother. So
and Royal, everybody talk about generation curse. This is a generational curse, right? But you have to choose to break it. Because any curse can be broken.
Right.
All right.
Any curse can be broken. Because I am the black people of my family and they're going to be... me no one dead until they realize that me are the head cornerstone for all of them.
Amen.
Me are the black sheep and I'm going to live to see the day when everything when they think about me. I know say go for true in real life.
I remember say Rosealee they come out and talk saying of and she grew up in fear side of family. My telling say his mother not like him.
His mother not
she
like
have
him.
that in her, not like her for she have picked. So everybody keep on telling her that oh your mother not like her, your mother not like you. So
that's why she don't like it for mother chance.
I'm telling you for me. Alright, you growing up and everybody tell us say your father side of people them not like you. Now for how much years now you and Jakes and then tell us that Jakes a fuck everybody else. But you will still stay with Jakes, no, you still a fuck Jakes. You will still stay with Jakes, so you still a grind Jakes. So how you believe everything what they say about your mother, but you don't believe everything what they say about Jakes? What you got to?
Listen, remember I said Jakes is a man. Jakes can replace. Family is totally different. When you grew up on the ear say your mother will birth you, will care you for 9 months and not like you, that is different.
Girl,
remember you're grown now. Alright, let me say something to Fiona. Nisi, let me say something to Fiona. Let me say something to Fiona. Nisi, Fiona, let me tell her this.
Fiona.
Nisi. Oh, I think Fiona went just say something. Anyway, alright. You say when them tell you say your mother do it is a different thing. But now you live with your mother as a grown adult, you left your father them and you come to your mother when you're grown. Not when you're a pitney fish, she lick you down. And when you're grown, you come and you're there with your mother. And your mother, you know, say, all right, mommy, we never have a good relationship growing up. So make we try now. Make we try. You're coming at the woman house with your hatred where you have for your gingeration them. And I saw you grow older, I saw you raise pitney, I saw you still hate the woman. Come out of the woman house then.
Yeah, I don't lie. I know what is happening because her kids grow up and see how she treats her mother. You think how you think so then go and treat you because they don't know the better? If you treat your mother so you put them not gonna know the better how to treat you?
So you left your mother out, you left your father house to come antagonize the woman.
But she said her mother geared to complete stranger, so how she say her peer or father?
You see when I said the girl just lie. She just lie. She make up the story as she go along.
Yes,
she listen to the mother when the mother talk, and the mother's story sound more authentic.
You know what I really understand? You know what I really understand? I not grow with no mother. Right? Me right as me and my sister no grow with no mother. No father, no mother. No father, no mother. Since me at 27 come a foreign, my first time seeing my mother and me I talk to my mother.
Chan love, what you mean?
I mean I don't have a hate for my mom. None at all. Me not have no hatred in my heart for my mother. And my mother never raised me and none of her girl pity them, she never raised. I'm gonna show you something. My daughter when me have and my son not gonna make because of my mother do me and not grow me. I not there for me and take care of me, make me blood kid come deal with my pitney like how my mother deal with me and my sister them. No. So me not understand why people are talk about the earth where she earth and her mother will not take care of her and this and that make she come and deal with fear pity them. So hell fucking no.
I know sir, when they like this morning.
Mr. Shay 40 days and 49 when Rose said this. She don't come beat me. I'm a mother.
I go like I say Shay if afraid of Rose. What do they idiot?
Tell her for come beat me. I peer more talk on the talk pan this, you know. No can't beat me now. No can't threaten nobody for me. Me no lavern. Oh, me just make you know, little girl. Now come tell me about 40 days and 40 nights. Like you see me care. Do she gonna beat me?
No pay them no mind, cause them a go like I say she life start with she.
No go like say my life revolve blood clot Rosealee. And Rosealee put her on my pot.
Them a tell Labyrinth if you don't talk about her daughter, but do not.
And then can't say that to Shay. To hear me about Shay. To
she. Look on them sitting there, then degrading sitting there. We come to everybody on the internet about your mother, but you know if you can't clear it here. So stop pitting if you just deal with their mother, and you then feel like deal with their mother and just them always
take up toilet paper and toothpaste and all them sitting there out.
You don't care about toilet paper and toothpaste, and sitting there.
Petty for some big old greyback woman. You know too petty. I want to sit down and watch this girl and deal with the woman so rational.
Exactly, because me I say,
I don't like it.
Because Royal, me I say, you literally, I say, you buy some, you get.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, because right now it's like Rosealee and her mother in a competition. Who can have the saddest story? You see me I say, and on a level, my people, the mother, you can see say whatever she went through back in the days still affect her till this day. Seeing Rosealee look on the maybe when them pack up her head off about her mother and now look on the struggle where her mother go through. You see me I say? So make me know what you think, my people, and make you watch some more.
Some things from some people, from somebody, and you put them in your house, in your cupboard or on the fridge top or in your fridge. Right now, none of that. What is that for cost about? I make the money.
Alright.
Yeah, make the money. Yeah, make the money. Yeah, sit down for millions of dollars. What is that for you? For your mother even done the whole blood clot fridge. What is that for you? Even I say something about. Are your mother?
Pity, are your mother? You're supposed to have a piece of change where you give your mother every week. Hey, mommy.
Bless up your pocket.
See, if you have 10 grand, yeah, go buy up some food.
Yeah, you know much people wish their mother were still alive for their mother use something for them?
So,
you know much people wish their mother were still alive? Any man can replace a one mother you get, girl. Stop treating a mother like a fuckery. Although my mother not see eye to eye, but me can never hate her. Me can never fight in my heart for hate her.
To me, Shani, right? I just believe that Rosealee wants everything for herself and don't want to see nobody on top of her. Just like the rankers, when anybody they are number 1, 2, 3, anybody where she talk to, she come for them. You notice, I don't know if you see a pattern. You notice, even when TikTok they just start in a what year, in a couple 2 years, 3 years ago, when Tanania and Perry always they are 1 and 2 or whatever in a top 3. She had a big problem about that and she came for them. Alright, different from Tanania and Perry. Jabbas, she come for them. Anybody where they up there, it was just always a problem with Rosealee coming for them. It was never a problem of, you know, she go try to push for reach up there. She always a come for people where a push for them success. She never a try for. She never. She just always want the pan top. She just always, and that's the same and Laverne in a problem because she want them to be her footstool. She want to sit on them and beat the fuck out of them and boss them up and tell them go for that, do that. No take up my things. Me want send you a shop. Me want just cover the bathroom.
Beg you, mommy, beg you.
Kitty, you know what? That is fucking thing. Kitty, that is the grade.
And that's why me always gonna say this, and I'm gonna say this big brawling and loud, and I don't care who will come for me anything. You see Miss Triple from right there, I don't understand what Miss Triple can never understand. Me can never understand when Miss Triple say people always a come for Rosealee. No, Miss Triple is go back down in the time of flying. Rosealee always a come for people.
Yes.
When them they on top.
Yes.
Go back into time of TikTok. Tanania and Perry, when them ever push, ever come for them, and again, she enable it. Miss Triple sit there and behave like say, them a shame Rosealee because her body, them a shame her for this, and them always a come for her. No, she come for them too.
She come for people.
She come for people always and often.
Jayden,
and that's
she used to come for Jayden every minute when Jayden a come number 1.
She always have a problem with. Just facts. And me, I go just always say. Wally Pat Rosealee people them out there just never ever tell her the truth and just never she cuss Perry them like dog. She cuss Tanania like that. Anybody with a pan top, she cuss them out ras. You notice why she and Triple a friend right now? Oh, because Triple could have do things for her and at the things them. She love when she can do it to tell people say okay.
Pick me up. Come
do this for me. Yeah.
You know the Rose wanted help yourself. That is the greed that they talk about in the Bible. Greedy. And she understands that the same somebody where she passed on the ladder going up, I see somebody she go past going down.
Yeah, me not care now. Me say what me
anyway, guys, me point. Have a good day.
You know, have no loyal people around you.
Cause on eye red. When see people think with them, when see people things with them, when see people with them things, when you know how them get it, on eye just red feet. And that's some mankind stay. All I wanna come round, all I wanna come at me in my district because of red eye. When you see me with look car, when you see me never call up on TikTok, I wanna just red eye. I cheer me a safety me can buy one car. Cause I tell myself my first money when I occupy ya, me nah spend it by the car. Cause me nah go back around zero. I force. People have to force me. Cause to all my paranoid in a sufferation, people have to force me. But I can't know I'm not ready yet. But me not ready yet. You know, I read. Anytime I sit up on the ranking board, anytime I sit up on the ranking board, I'm a pass on the eye get red. When I talk all type of story, I want shooter over there. Them a clean card. Them have enablers. Them have this. They on the eye red. On the eye red. Red eye. Never thought that. Me hear you come this man, I come talk about, oh, she said she turn on my own. You want DNA. Drakes don't do no DNA. I mean, I tell it publicly. I say me say it already, I tell it publicly. None of them are you, not do no DNA. We don't want nothing from you.
People, tell me what you think, seeing? Alright, you're born with the youth for much years, seeing? And your woman come tell you something like Rosealee do, you know, I tell GX, yo, the youth they want to film. Would you want a DNA test? You see me I say, are you that just say, yo, me done bond with the youth them and we have a real relationship. Me no want no DNA test. Whether I not a my biological youth or my youth same way. You see me? Me personally, me wouldn't want a DNA test of people. Unless I something more I have to do, me do it. But me still I go want the youth in my life same way. Make when the youth reach whatever age, them make a decision for whether do it or not. You see me I say, but if me reach so far, me no bother want it. Because at the end of the day, me done bond with the youth already. You see me I say? So, make me know what you think in the comment section. And at the end of the day, my people, as me say previously, say, in the previous video, see how the youth are going to suffer. The man are going to feel that type of way still, you know, but the youth are going to left traumatized. You know what I mean? So, make me know what you think.
All my responsibility from them born till now. Father God will help me through. I don't want nothing from you. But don't want nothing from you. You don't have to do shit. You don't have to bother do the DNA. None of them are your own. Keep your money. Keep your money. You don't have to do no DNA. You don't have to give them anything more. You don't have to do a DNA. Don't do none, please. Don't give them nothing more. Because you rank every day. And you don't take up fatherly duties. You only do to brag. Like you want one gold medal. I mean, I go do this because the year are done. And coming New Year, me I left one in that area. So when the year done and Christmas coming, I'm supposed to finish up with the report for left on another area. I don't want to argue with it. It's a constant argument. Say I look loud hard. You have moved on and I have moved on. Whoever I want to be with is not your problem. So you don't have to come on the internet and should have said that I pick them out of marijuana more and DNA. No make nobody true to every do DNA papa because you not give them shit anyway. So just save your DNA money and go buy where you normally buy. A throat for a mouth, a pussy for suck out, and a hole for dig out. You can't swallow and drink. Save your money, papa. We don't want nothing from you. I been a do it. From them band, I been a do it. I been a do it. But been a do it from them band, I know Shancha 10 to 11, I know Barbara 7 to 8. And a few local months, you get to do it, you can't. You're failing already. The few local months that you get to do it, you are already failing. It's a failure to the one who you send yearns. Because me could have never come on social media and say, she said they pick them on my own. Which one of them on your own? Because Chantal look exactly like you. Barbara, you have a Farid. Barbara have some of my features. Them definitely look like you. Which one of them don't look like you? All you want to all you're desperate for your attention and money. You're a jackass. You care nothing about your kids. You're a cruff. Use a stagnant dirt water that sits right there and sour. If you don't remove it, you sit and you look clothes after your own and picnic them. He's a worthless man. Because let me tell you why, as I have said that 7.3k people Jake's rank every day. And if Jake's give them lunch money last week, this week come him now give them. Tell them I'm not have the money. They rank every day. They smoke every day, you drink every day. They look a cockroach, they look a fly by the cockroach girl where you there with. When she fuck, she have to tell her you want. You like so man come and woman come. And when she fuck, she have to tell her who she fuck. And you fuck her, she tell her who she fuck. So they don't can suck out all of that. And she have a tail behind her like a tail. At night time I draw in a corner. You don't have the bed enough. So you draw all the way in a corner. And she may see have a tail. So she work money for give by fuck. Because I can never give my kids them lunch money this week. And then I got to go on to your father now. My duty me give every day. When you give your picnic so you don't watch what the other parent is giving. You don't watch what the other parent is giving. Long as the people come to us and they want lunch money, hours have to give them. Monday morning at school, they rank for the whole week. Make sure by Saturday you get some money. When Monday morning comes, you're supposed to have it, can give them. You don't care about your kids. Make sure when Monday morning come, me have it, can give them. Now watch what the mama do. And then uno say me bad mind uno. Now watch what the mama do and don't watch what the mama have. When Monday morning come, me supposed to have my picnic lunch money ready to give them. And I'm uno not tell him that. That's why the enablers them don't like you, because them say it's a cruff. It's fuck you use the money and buy and suck. I mean, I'm not gonna do this anymore. I mean, I tell figure it out and Diamond Hakim don't answer. You don't even have a bed. You don't have a bed. They don't need to answer you because you don't have a bed. You's a never say come say hungry, ugly man. Them not for answer because you're not upon the levels. There's levels to things. And them to hear you attack and don't answer you. Because you don't have no bed. You don't want two good suit of clothes. You come argue me every time on the clothes. When I buy you a machine, you still have them. You do your wardrobe, don't change up to now, you know. You ever want to argue with people, but I'm not going to argue with you. I'm going to tell you the truth. You don't have to do a DNA, sir. None of them does not belongs to you. You don't mind Pitney is a sperm donor. We are living, we can do fine without you. The girl says she want popcorn and want social coat. The girl says she want popcorn and want snow cone machine. You're sure about that? No, she can't get it for use. So what was the ideal? To come on social media for a gold medal? Everything you want to come on the media. Nobody really cares about us, you know. What they done? Nobody really cares about us. 95% of them don't even care if you even want job done. Some of them want to have dollar on the conversation for hear the business for laugh. And turn me in a one big piece of mockery. The gifters them don't care either. Them have them stress too. Them want to come for going to one act match for shoot.
If you enjoy them, so if you say blood come, go to take nuggets, I'm gonna get to take them. Nobody don't really care. So I want to come with them long burden from when them just start grinding to when them soon dead. Nobody don't really care. Go see God.
Hey, Jakes, you have to go burn up them clothes Rosealee by you know. Yeah, man, I wear them in a yard, man. Don't wear them on the internet. You have to go buy yourself. Go shop, man. Go all out, man, and just buy some new things and change for Rosealee every day. And people, I don't feel like Jakes now buy the youth them nothing. Me feel like Jakes buy the youth them things. You see me? And then Rosealee, I go say, oh, Jakes will come on the internet and say the youth them wanna feed. Rosealee say, so oh, you come on the internet and say the youth them wanna feed, man. The same thing. But I mean, hey, you see, woman, yeah, I tell you, make watch some more people.
You think that social media is a church? Go seek God when I read. But I don't. Which one of them is not for me? None of them is not for you. You don't mind Pitney. You don't mind Pitney. You mind Pitney? Is our sperm done? You don't mind Pitney? You don't mind Pitney. You don't mind Pitney. You have moved on and I have moved on. Me, I wonder what the woman we got sell loose so they don't say how obsessed you are over me. I want to ask her. If the lady that you went to St. Lucia don't see the obsession you have over me, it's an obsession deeply. You're obsessed over me till they look bad. Till they start to attack the people them on party, they start to attack them because you want me to see you. Because him see it, you know. Him talk about me couple of times. And I don't answer him. Him come up with the mastermind. Him don't take him light, you know. Me say it's like internal bleeding. If you don't rush that operation soon, you know, you might be unalive. Him realize when them throw the jobs at me from the other day, come and tell me sister, I not use him, you know. So I realize when them throw the tantrum at me not use him. So I'm come out now, I throw the tantrum at whom I par with. Because if you go to somebody, people want me par with, them are gonna feel away. Me are gonna feel away too. Everybody have feelings. So somebody will come out, come talk. You know exactly what you are doing. I wanna go play the ball game here. Jake's gonna look alive. Me done with you. It's been how much months? September, October, November, December. It's been 4 months now. I'm over you. Me done with you. Go look alive. You only tell people say you move on, but you don't move on. Avoid my name. Avoid my circle. Why can't you avoid my name and avoid my circle? Because if me don't want a person, you know, me avoid them name and me avoid them circle. You can't. Every one of them there chop me each up there. Every one of them there chop me each up right there. What do somebody say? Somebody say blood clot. The madman for the app. Mad Max, the madman over here. Maybe the dog. The power screen card with him. I hear the madman will be the dog, no? Akim's stomach must strong. Akim's stomach strong for stomach Rosealee. And she, Jake's laugh. I say, what Jake's can't laugh over me? Just what piss all in your mouth. Be a bit piss all in your fucking mouth. Avoid me, please. Come on, want get over here. Me piss all in your mouth. I want to say these things. People say that joking thing with the pan. Me piss all in your mouth. Use nobody. Rest me and relax. Come on, I always do this. Cause I get tired to me and I get boring. I'm gonna like a bone to make you. I'm gonna try to make ends meet with them. I try for men. Wanna come out to drink more? Father God, insert 1 serum in night for you. Yeah. I like people, you like to provoke. Remember, I'm doing for 12 years, you know you're staying and you don't stop. You will never stop.
You like to provoke, and you like to hide, and you like to sit down and pay a pity party and then throw a stone and draw it and like you're innocent. Me ain't not gonna do this. None of the kids them does not belong, so you don't give them dollar more. You not give them anything anyway. Up here fuck you buy with your own. Unfortunately. Peer grind. So nobody give them nothing more. Cause I never need you back then. I'm still know me not gonna need you now. Cause I'm smarter than you. Cause I read. Success don't come overnight. Me have times when I sit there here and I play match with people and I get nothing. And not so bad mind and jealousy and envy come in. Me have times when I should click my life and I click my life and sit on my life and click it. But don't get nothing. The first man who sent me a lion on TikTok was Spinners. I never forget the night. The first man, the first individual that sent me a lion and this app was Spinners, that a world dog, long time shooter. You know how him send me it? One night we in our 4-way. And everybody I get time I get. I'm so I'm saying I'm a good man. Everybody I get. My score was 400 and something. Everybody I get. I'm not get. I'm still on my whole same up on my life. And I look and I look and just did I look. I'm so I'm telling me say nothing. Him say you good, me say yeah. No do me. Him say you sure, me say yeah. Him say don't worry yourself. Spinners. And at night them send me 3 lion universe and about 4 blood clot wheel. Success don't come overnight. At 3 years me on social media. Anywhere me there, me work for it. Anywhere I time me there, I work for it. Me sit down and I put in my time. Me sit down and I put my time, my hours, my effort, my strength, everything in this to build something. In a build overnight. So I don't know why some of the red eye people want to see. I want to see people on the road and analyze them for them things. Because everything we do take time and effort and consistency. And every day you got to market your basket going full. You have days when the basket will have nothing into it. You take longer this trip for broke your ducks more than the ordinary. You can't. You wake up and you got to market and you're there for market from 8 o'clock. And at 10 o'clock, sometimes you got to market from 8 o'clock. When I look, you just stop sell. And then when you look, you there market from 7, 8 parts in a sell $1, 9 parts in a sell $1, 10 o'clock come in a sell $1 and you not sell nothing. I saw it go. And they don't understand. And that's what I said, them on the red eye. And when them red eye, Father God take with them blessing. You know, say, Chad, I'm gonna be honest. Cause them 95% of them not like, but me not give 2 blood clot fuck. I'm gonna be honest. That's why them not like me, but me not give 2 fuck. You know, say, Jakes are do well. Jakes are the better. Jakes are do much more than when me. I wanna say it in our tone. How Jakes is doing now? I want to pick the word. How Jakes is doing now? From where I started from, he's doing pretty well. Them I just read. How am I do now? From where I started from, he might do amazing. Them I just read. That's the Father God. Hold it, girl. Me said, me just hold it. Oh no, I just read. Trust me, youth. He's a, me sorry the day I meet you. To all my up on social media now, he might do pretty good from how me start out. I'm start off at $50. And every day I come here, I'm say, see, I go click my live, you know, because I get even $50 what a gift. I'm satisfied. I start off at $50. Till me start get $100 what a gift. Till me start get $200 what a gift. Till me start get $300 what a gift.
Well, my people, we can't deny that still, you know. Rosealee did put in the work for reach which part she there right now. You know what I mean? And that can't be denied. Give Caesar whatever is due to Caesar. So may I say maybe another way how enough people that say boy them would have love to climb up the ladder and reach where them reach. You know what I mean? But a fear away. So make me know what you think.
Yeah, the pretty well, you're still red eye and bad mind people. Oh, them are clean child and oh, you're doing pretty well. Italian with they are long enough now do it like you. Your eye red. When you just see people, your eye, you just see people with them things and want to have it. You're doing pretty well. You're doing pretty well, but you're red eye, you're bad mind. And when you're red eye, you're bad mind, you come out and you go on, you behave the most way and go like say people are you that. None of people can see your red eye and your bad mind. And apart from all your red eye and your body, you're very obsessed. You know why, you know, Jakes? Because me now go back to you. Not this lifetime, nor the next. And I don't care who you want to affiliate yourself with, because I know they're whores. None of them don't make sense with you. I beg arrest my blood clot name. Arrest the people name where you are. All say me not first because I tell people them don't answer you. Not tell them don't answer you because you want to be and brush your teeth. Tell them don't answer you. Dime I figured I keep no look on Jakes. Jakes don't even have a bed. Because I had to run down the TikTok money, you can't cash it off. And your eye just red. I 2 times since me they come borrow my money, I'm lending it. And him look at me and tell me say me bad mind. 2 times him come borrow my money since me and him fall out. And him they are class and I gonna go like him want come get right and disrespect. Him come borrow my money, I'm let him. I'm just tell myself, say, I don't really want to eat them, you know. So I try to make bygones be bygones. I don't want to eat them. Because I'm going to tell you why I don't want to eat them trot. I'm going to wrap it up because soon work time. I wrap it up because work me come. You all of them are evil. Down to my little sister. And she did the other day, I'm dip in pocket and I say, eh. And then the next one day, yesterday, she asked me, I tell her no. I don't want to use them mama fat and fry them, you know. I swear to God. But just want to just come, I don't want to use them mama fat and fry them for them there. I want something, I have time, I don't give them. Sometimes my conscience beat me, and that's the truth. My conscience beat me. Because I have a conscience who are going to beat me. And your conscience going to tell her, say, just give her for the pitney. But them is evil. All of them. All of them is evil. Even the one of the baby is evil because the whole of the day before she itch up over where Jake's there. So I know shy evil. I'm a son and I have no loyalty, you know, no never real from day one. I'm still try to share with them. You know, so me give my mother my money. Miss give her my money, you know. I sit here, me give her my money. All the time. But you wanna come here and sit and lie. Oh, you not get money, who get money for God doctor? Me get money for God doctor. You come to me and tell me say hungry, me give you. You wear my things, you drink my things, you use my things, you do all man of evil, I'ma leave you. And you still come be a dagger to my soul. Every time you come over here, you trigger me off. You want to behave like say me hate you. You want to behave like say you're innocent. You want to behave as if me not, you're not doing nothing at all. And me go get the end of the shit on the city because well, your name mother me a pitney. And that is very sad. So I don't get no right to voice my opinion, and I don't get to talk how I feel because me not have enough feelings. Yeah, yes, lovely. Now I always give them my things. Yeah, she's same one. The little boy want baby my old when him a born. And him birthday I come and buy a truck. I look a play a truck in a cheap. When the man tell me how much treat me want to walk away, just come in and want to look like scumming and I just buy it and come out. I mean, when I saw one truck with a deer, so I 50,000 left for the truck, you know? It dear. Of course, me give them things. If the baby come here and want some, of course, me take money and give her. I give to her. Why not? Me know them bitches still, you know. Them are my family, me know them. I know what them I do. I want to talk. People are going like, oh, you eat them and you know what? My mama no. My grow would no observe no. I'm only on no problem. I don't want me for mine no. And when I take my TikTok money and I fix here for own to live in paradise, what me gonna offer myself when I'm all and I shit up? That is a key question I wanna ask them. Especially my mama when she come live. When Rosealee take her TikTok money and fix up where you live, and mine you. What she give her you, them what she have, or what she do for herself. When she all and agree, like 50, 60.
Well, my people, Rosealee must know why she has say her mother and sister them not real or whatever. Cause she even come and say GX there with the mother and the sister them. Or the sister. You see me I say, but what me understanding in life is this. Nobody now gonna stop them friendship with, well, not nobody. People will do that. But you can't expect a person to drop everything what them did have with this a person just because you and that person no deal anymore. And the same thing Jakes did want with him uncle to stop dealing with Rosealee. No, Rosealee that love to feed family them stop dealing with Jakes. You know what I mean? You have different scenarios where you have to pick a side in my people, but not all the time. You see me I say? Because sometimes at the end of the day, when these two people start chat back, you look like a big idiot. And plus, woman and man, when it come to boyfriend, girlfriend, baby father, baby mother, you have to be careful with that situation there. You see me? So, make you watch some more, my people.
All in a shit up. What is our retirement goal for the hard work what she put in on the app? Because you have to put in hard work on this blood clot for see $110. You know, come in that some of them things, you know. The only reason why Jakes get to a true Jakes a man enough gift I was looking for fuck. And the only reason why him get to it. And he not even know that. Only reason why him get to it. Actually my man. And most gifters were looking for fuck. And the only reason why him get a getaway. But it's not easy if you put in your work. When I talk about use them charming. Woman will see him and like him. Woman will hear the situation. People, he will draw the crowd with the situation and people will see him out of the crowd and want like him for fuck and give him. Remember I'm not funny, you know. Remember I'm not funny, him not intellectual. Him just give a demon possess look and feeling. Him not funny. So we know when people gift them a cause some woman see him and like him. Can you have woman over here will see man and like them and gift them, you know? Can them a look man, you know? We know them there a long time they here. But they a long time from able days, world dog. They a long time there. So I know the script. That's what I say. How women recognize him. Him have him shoot over. Him have him shoot and them will come shoot him. For him we are look man. It's not about recognition. You have to understand. It's not about recognition. You can draw a crowd of 10,000 people. I only one will like you give you. Una miss out that concept and stop type as if I'm stupid. You draw a crowd of 10,000 people. Only the ones in the crowd that likes you will give you. crowd no mean shit. I know exactly what I'm talking about. You gotta have over there where look man them a look. What we give him? You can't draw a crowd of 20,000 people. Somebody will like you. I gonna give you. Somebody know exactly what me I talk about. Me not just come on TikTok. Me not just come on social media. Me know how it works. Me know how to run. So him I gonna always have people over there who gonna give him regardless. Cause them a look somebody. Okay. Yeah. Cause my people them can't go over there. My people them can't go over there. Them attack and don't send a dollar. Him go have feed people them over there will see him and like him. You know something like Jackson not ugly him can par with. And give him. It happen to everybody par ya. Don't think I'm stupid. Sometimes you see some of the boy them over here. Because the people them like him. The person that them particular person like them person they need. A long time they put over here. Not for the boy, not for the top rank of them boy, one gift of them have. Most of them have one gift that will like them. They look man. A long time they boy yeah. We have a whole pastor me can line and chinks them off and know so I said go. And tell you how it go. And tell you how it operates. I know this. And one big gift time have she name was Shirley or Cheryl. And Cheryl only go done top over there. She won. We said lion, tigers, and bear drop him 200 or 100K. But you do it like every week. Jayden have one too. What do you want to name of Jayden have a long time and she and Shelly. Back in the days when me and him was that close. I want big gift time there and Shelly. And she alone come and drop a lion, drop a 200 or 100K upon him. Just randomly. Like every other week. Yes, she come and just don't up the whole place and see her again. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. Don't watch the numbers and everybody giving the numbers. Some of them only forgot to come and look, listen and type and get a brawl. Only a real person that like you for your authentic way and your behavior will always support you. And trust me, people literally like who they like. Me not fight pan that, I mean not break down pan that. However, the people them over here will hate me. Can't stop calling police on me yard. I'm getting kind of tired and I'm getting kind of drained because I don't know you all. I don't know you all. Me's a woman. And if every 24 hour or every 72 hour you can call police by me, I soon go in the penitentiary. Because when you not stop call police, why? Like every click of the clock when you call the cops. Me not threaten me not engaging to uno time or to nobody to myself. Everybody have family issues. Every minute you call the cops. Something is wrong with you, no? What is wrong with you, no? What is wrong with you, no? Something is wrong with you, no? Every minute you call police. Every minute. I'm sick, I'm tired of it. And trust me, he said me never plan to move all of my life. I have made my decision. I want to live at peace. I want a peace of mind, and here's not it. So all of you, all I want to like each up in the back. Oh, she not leave. Have to. It's a must. I want to leave like no. I'm tired. Every minute you call police. Every minute you in a target practice. I can't live in peace. What me do? Come here, come run. Come here, come run. 2 drugs, run 2. Look at this, run 2. Look at that. I want to text it for me. I tell you no what burn no hate me for that. Cause all of y'all that hate me on this. Whether rankers or some girl where I look some highlight. Because you mess with me, I'm tell you no deeds. I know me hit a nerve. Cause when me I come for the nerve, you know, I go deep in it. So I'm gonna tell you something, 2 words and it's sharp.
I'm not going to a dictionary in that Bible verse when me I come for two, girl. 2 words. I'm going to know it lick some part on the nerve. If I'm telling you 2 words and I can't stop texting, I can't burn no.
That you threatened him, because I will soon play those digital footprints, letting you know what a fucking threat really sounds like. Because you look like you have amnesia, but Jamaica doesn't forget. The Caribbean don't forget. The USA and England and everywhere where we spread, we don't forget. Don't think we forget. Jamaica don't forget. And you are playing in our faces. Be careful. Jamaica don't forget.
My people, me have to tell you something. Is when it comes to cuss, war and them something there, you see at the end of the day, the wickeder person, the more evil person, are going to be successful, and the liest person are going to be successful. Yeah? Remember me tell you, so when them the type of things they are going, you can't go on like say boy you want tiptoe. You have to go all out and go wicked too. You understand me? Yeah. Because look on GX, you know. GX is not an innocent person still our people. Because him a do film thing also you can hear how him talk and how him say when him talk, you know. But you see Rosealee, my people, Rosealee have a piece of resentment for GX there. So Rosealee go wicked and dirty and hard when I fear her time, you know, people. You see me? So I just say go what them say. All is in a love and war. Anything goes in a love and war. Well, let me know what to think. Make watch someone here what she say about what them do to GX, and then we will go over Rosealee mother.
You come with something I try to twist the narrative, and I try to put different meaning to what the man say. I fix you and fix the man. Una have a next million to spend. Una have a couple more millions than one put on him head. From the card them want to clean. From the old people them want to rob. From the credit card them want to clean. Curse upon uno. Don't to no baby, don't to your son curse. I'm sorry to tell you, but him curse. Because for the word of the Lord tell you, for the parents suck the sour grape and send the children's teeth on edge. Uno no pure. Mocha, Jesus Christ. Where is Mocha? Is Mocha on TikTok? Mocha, please investigate the Fantastic Four. Mocha, please investigate the Fantastic Four. Who is me to judge? The sodomite what them judge morning, noon and night. Me, the sodomite what Jamaica judge is not judging people in Jamaica. Judgment! Oh,
Nobody not trouble in a every day click your life. Y'all look trouble, bro. Every day you click your life about we and nobody not trouble.
That's a lie. It's actually the other way around, and it's very disappointing that you want to take your actions that what Rosealee do and fling it upon GX. Rosealee say the most disgusting things about GX all the while, when the man now look upon her, and you sit right there and I try to convince we and the dunce people them a follow Uno, and the dunce people them who need to feel validated by Uno. You understand what I'm saying? Uno know what I do. Uno don't love these 2 young girls. Uno don't love them. Uno just have them as collectors. Them are no employee. Them are no employee. Come on, man. No, we no slope on the up. We give you enough time. Them are no employee. Don't make we get, hey, look here, we bear things up to a while, you know. Don't make we get mad in this, you know. Figure it out on Akeem. Don't make Jamaica and the Caribbean get mad in this, you know. You see, when you come on to we pitney them, we get, hey, you will make we head ship up in this, you know. We not play about we pitney them, you know.
We not play about good father. You see, because enough we never have a father in our life. You see, when we see good father out there, we protect them. We not play about good father in the community. We can't do anything one want. We can't scam anybody want scam. But you see, when I go pushing something now, when I want to come unalive, one father of Shantar and Barbar, we not gonna have the whole of we for answer to. We not gonna have the whole world for answer to, the whole Caribbean. And we not gonna have no peace. I better not allow him alone. And that me have to tell you now. Me say I better not leave him alone. And that me have to tell you now. I better not talk it out and don't fight it out. Like now gonna make no sense. Cause I'm not going to leave. Do not get Jamaica irritated. See, it's pan Naya even, and Jamaica people still unsettled about Naya, you know. Jamaica people is still unsettled about Naya. We still want answers, you know. Every time we pass and see a Naya video, a beer inspirational stuff, you must say, is a soul them take, you know. And no name call up in a hit, you know. Me soon me couldn't understand what is a threat, because that me go play next so they can understand what a threat is. Because since what GX say, on the fee says a threat and you don't understand what a threat is, me can just look for the digital footprints. I go look for it. Just hold on. Naya threatened on live by Akeem and figure it out.
Oh, charge him, I'ma tell you something.
See that? As me type in. So since you don't know, and since you don't want an example of what a threat actually sounds like, let me go back into memory and let you know what a threat sounds like. Please listen to the monitor and identify your voice. Sis.
Oh, charge him, I'ma tell you something. Here, brother, I'ma tell you something straight, you know. Bad man, I am Jay player here. You see how your big waist, so pussy body boy people over there. You don't call me name, dog. You see? Because you get ugly charge, you don't even know. You don't top call me name, brother. You don't play no match. You don't top call me name, brother. Top call me name, bro. Me not run joke. No boy can't talk to me like how you talk to them. Me not run joke. You don't low me name, dog. Low me, bro. You boy, I'm most angry. Like a boy. Yo, figure it out. Let's say. Let's say, I jump.
I don't finish this playing it, and I shall be playing Naya's voice over and over. I don't finish it yet because I'm going to look at other digital footprints. That is what you call a threat. It's not done play yet, but let me tell you something. You see this? You guys regret this digital footprints. You know why? You would have wanted to keep this side of you hidden from us and continue to play the little innocent, smooth guys that you're trying to put out. That's not your real self. This isn't a real self. This is the real Uno right here. So you don't fool nobody. Follow me, guys, by the way. You know I'm always clout chasing. It's very important. Clout is very important. So make sure everyone who is on the live, you're following me. Even if you hate me, just follow me because you're going to follow me anyway. You understand what I'm saying? Because you're here listening to me, so if you hate me, you might as well click the damn follow button because you're following me anyway. Because hey, you're here. Hi, haters, how are you? Anyway, what me I say now, guys, and please also give me big gifts. Hello, I have 10 out of 50 hand hearts. Come on, man. When Rosalie's over there doing her bullshit and send lions and things, send them, man. If you don't hate me so much that I'm a sodomite, come on, release some money gun. Simple as that. Anyway, continue talking. Uno regret these digital footprints because I said these digital footprints. I hope I didn't like this thing just now. No, let me take this out. That's a good thing I checked because I didn't know that when you double tap on a video now, you automatically registers as a heart comment. So when I tap on the video, my hand accidentally tapped the video just now, it commented a heart in the comments box. Can you imagine somebody seeing Zandrama? I said love, like I put love underneath one big old dirty threat with Naya. What other piece of something that drug me, guys? And nobody would have feel say I want mistake. Anyway, yeah, this is what a threat really looks like. I'm going to play it so you can hear yourself, so you can continue hearing yourselves. This is what a threat really looks like. And if you want us to believe, you guys, that you're innocent and this was just mere rough talking, why you can't believe, say, Jakes never did a send no threat to Uno, him did just a comment on Wagwan. Why you can't believe Jakes, we never send no direct threat, but we must believe you. So you know have nothing to do with one youth unaliving when you send one direct threat. Make it make sense to me. That's a small question. Just a small little question. Why you think Jakes are threatening Uno when you never hear him send no threat, you never hear him saying God do this or do that? But Uno deliberately threaten the boy. I think there's even a video footage. I search for it and I can't find it. When you tell them, I think when you say to him, say must December now pass or something to that effect. You understand what I'm saying? Or something. If anybody know the video, if you can send it to me. You understand why no one we to believe fool no something say the threat what wanna make it wasn't real, I just coincidence and I never hurt him. But you can't believe Jakes. Why? Why when it come on to Uno if you have love and compassion and understanding, but you can't understand Jakes? Why it is figured out that you are a father, you are a parent? Why you can't understand and put yourself in a Jake's shoes if somebody should have do the things them to your son what the man are experiencing now with him children? You think the man feel good for no saying pitney, live a people yard?
Alright, my people, we don't stay over here so too long still, you know. But you are going, let me tell you something, my people, we learn over the years, see? You can't label a person something unless you have solid evidence or proof. You see me, I say never you speculate, especially when it comes to something serious. Even if the fingers them or the thing them will lead to that person. You see me, I say, and you have a strong feeling say yes to that person there, don't accuse them. Because you see, life have a funny way at off, you know what I mean, doing but the same thing to you. And if the shoe was on the other foot, me no say you wouldn't like that. You understand? So certain things you can hear opinion. Say this is my opinion, whatever, I think this, I think that, whatever. You see me, I say, but when it comes to it, especially life and death, my people, you have to be careful what you do. You see me, I say, so let me know what you think, and make watch some more.
Do you think the man feel good for no saying pity then live a people yard and as somebody else the government feels say should have in charge and pity them? You think the man did one compound the app? If the man did one compound the app in the come for a long time. You think the man want all of this? If the man want all of this and was a long two-tongue man, the man would have talk about Anna Rosealee. Show me one video footage when tell Rose for S her mother or tell her say Anna need her bigger describe her. Show me one video footage. Show me one video footage when disrespect June. Come now, man. Me can't show you enough video footage where June disrespect him and say she a finger F him in her body. Where she says she and him and man sleep. Where she saw him both him and she and her sister and her mama. To the point where Daima could have come class and say you suck out Rose pussy and what. Even if he suck out Rose pussy, Daima, what is that? No, baby mother. Pussy for suck. I'm sure Jayden I got agreed because him is the eat boss. Pussy for suck. You know why you see Daima, you know why you know always I talk about suck pussy so much? Because you deal with man who don't suck on the pussy. But you don't have to suck them hood. Remember no a careless dirty girl from the dancehall culture, you know, where a man just dung on you choke girl. Stop it nice, baby, come in here. When you just suck man hood and man don't return the favor, cause the man them telling us them a bad man and a them life they don't love and a like man were rough food, you know, and treating them like a dog shit. Remember no used to no life, you know, a dishcloth girl who come turn table towel. Remember, no demure, no classy, no girl, whatever in a soft era. Even when you put on hair and something, and the filter still a fight for beat down on toughness. Cause no course bad like a steel wool. When my auntie used to make me use a country for call the Dutchy pot, what we use at the fireside. No course bad. A rough girl. Uno, why nice little girls who grow up in a decent homes when I used to them the rough life there cause men to behave the way to them because Uno accept low standard for a man with low vibration, then them end up a thing say I saw it figure. Uno girl will pay a cocky pad now. And sometimes don't even get no draw, using the money and mind man because you don't have enough charisma, enough charm, enough personality, and enough things you want to feel about yourself is confident enough to hold the man. So you have to do the most, you have to pay down.
Year old, I even like that how me get the story. My father carried me in town, in Kingston, to come and spend time with his mother. So it's like I don't know if my father see that my mother never fit enough to take care of me like that. I don't know, I'm just saying. So I end up growing with his mom, that is my father, mother, what I was talking about. And we were living over east side, where they call Dunkirk, to down on Ringa Road, to Water Street, to down Raytown, over that side, in Jamaica. So, living over there with them, growing up, going to Ellison Basic, Ellison Primary. Something happened with my auntie with some broke in a house and something like that, and my grandmother and my auntie Opal will move and come over Seaview and other siblings. The house that I'm living in now in Seaview Gardens is my auntie house, that is my father's sister, and my grandmother is her mother. So come over here and living with them from a younger child growing up. So everybody gonna foreign and me alone, they're here at Jamaica. So as so comes me live at the house where me live now. So I know I have my kids them, I'm say alright, whatever reason, my kids them come on their own way. Whatever regardless what I do or what I never do, because yeah, the past is the past. I'm always I say they can't make bygones. I always want bygones to be bygones. Whether if it's my kids, whether if my peers, you know, I just always talk over things, a reasonable thing, and you come to the fact of some things I just conclusion. But I don't know when it's gonna be.
Some people want to listen what she have to say and tell more what they think in the comment section or what some more.
A conclusion with me. I don't know when it's gonna be a conclusion with me and whatever I did. Anyway, being a mom, a teenager mom, at the age of 15.
Then time you have one youth?
When I got pregnant when I was 15,
one youth
at the time, cause yeah. And when I found out that I got pregnant, mighty God, the man say, you're certainly for me. It's like seriously. So it's like this man that does a kiss me up or something. Like when I ask this man this, it's like he does a kiss me up, just a kiss me. Because me know what me and him will do, you know, and me know what him and him will do, you know. Because the mother say, mine I get pregnant. That's what the mother say, you know. It's that mother. And when my realize I'm feel I'm pregnant. I'm go there over there and so I feel I'm pregnant, you know. It's like it's certainly for me. All in mother, it's certainly for my son. I have a shit up on me and say, man, I get pregnant for this our son, you know. Alright. I want to know that if me could have still stay there after the man say not inbreed me and the mother say on her son, somebody find somewhere for go. I'm a struggle with this child. I'm going to come here, this child says she hate me and hold me a wicked woman. Child curse me, I read that to me, so I could have locked my foot.
But mighty God, if me lock my foot, if me close my leg as a mother. And it hurt me when this child I go say to me that she ate me. Hello people, love you guys. Not want to read, nothing for sure to say. I never come here for this. All the while I always say I want to share my truths to the world. Not even say, because I've been telling this story to people over the years, you know. What I'm saying right now, I've been telling this story to people over the years. What I've been through with my daughter. It's not like my other daughter them where is it none of your penny them I love you. You never struggle with none of my penny them like you. Remember good your father said him a certain and me could have do what me want to do as a mother for say what, and I was 15 years old. 15 years old. A long time I batter. A long time I want help. And you get big and something happen for you and you not try to help your mother. And because I get the help to come on this, I still get fight. Because that's why I still get fight. Physically and verbally fight. I want to know if I deserve this, people. It's much if I look for say click live, like it, believe it or not. I've been through it. As a mother, 15-year-old, never have no baby father for stand up with me, you know. I want to say I still get fight, I'll know. I've been through all of these years, I still get fight, I'll know. Mighty God. If I something I do wrong in this. I'm a lonely soldier, many miles from home, with a heart that heavy. You know it feel when you carry a child for 9 months, and you birth them, and you carry them and you birth them, and you even see that child hurt you. Ooh, I know that child will come hurt your heart. Hey people, you think that feel good? Sometimes I feel like I rip that child, I rip out my heart out of my chest sometimes. It come like sometimes I rip that child, I rip out my heart out of my chest sometimes. I feel I love her. I can't hate my child. How can I? If you're gay, pitney, mama for nyam pitney when I'm mama, but mama nyam pitney. Love you guys, love you. Thank you very much. Think about that. I always try to take the best care of my kids and I can do. I always try my best. If my best is not good enough, I always try my best. As a parent, as a mother, as a woman. God not give no man money when them can't bear. So what? I'm do what I could do. I do what I could do for all of my children them.
First thing first. Eat that girl. Eat that girl. I we have plan about the Disney trip and Disney trip this and Disney trip that. We don't hear about it. Don't hear about that already. So you still have fair way upon the court order for deal with that. We don't hear about the Disney and who come from foreign, come and link with who for link with bring pin upon Disney trip. We hear about it, but it's still have way upon court order. So the plan can't come true yet. Big waist girl. Big 4-4 girl. Now I chase him and they lawyer for much months now, I should have a little thinking about. Big foo girl, you could have never ever. Who the fuck would I really want? You hear that? You know yourself know how long me lose nature for you. You know how long me lose nature for you. But it's like I'm talking about pissing them out and all them things. The girl I get personal now, I'm not talk to you again. I'm not talk to you again. You bright tea, girl. You have much pussy? Your pussy? Your pussy? You know a long time I can't mother for fuck you. You know a long time. Long time. Right, hey. Anyways, as I said, me know about it, the chip on our plan, I want to claim us.
My people, you hear what man say? The man say, Rosealee sick him stomach, nor nothing, you know. The man say, can't bother if you walk Rosealee. You don't understand that? That means there's a task the man did have to go do. The man can't bother if you do that task. You see me, I say, he can't bother. I wonder if you don't understand that statement. The man say a long time, he can't bother. That means he have to go take on a task, you know, and he can't bother if you go do it. You see me? The little energy where you take for deal with as slim as my people are average size. When you deal with that fatty, you have to go it's like a gym, you know. Jah knows that. People know what I think.
So no one plan. And the rest said to go through the court. We're going to do this illegal way instead of before me hear when you want to try to say and get myself in a plan life. So I'm going to waste man. We say I'm not planning for waste people. Because you're big, you want big, either waste girl. You want big waste girl, either girl. You should have said the worse than that too. Big don't sell full girl. But you eat a piece now from out. You're mad, you can't bring that to me. You can't ever try to bring it to me. You could have ever tried to bring that to me. Girl, when you have your money, my sister, still not in nature for you. I when you have your money. Your sister still not have no nature for you. Hey girl, go know your place, man. Yeah? Understand yourself, you might live for the last time. Understand yourself. What's up, pussy and so? Hey girl, no ramp with me. Don't go if you want to get too further, you want to push things too further and you like some little joking thing. You talk upon your life over and over and over and over. Do you have a long time my nature dead for you? What you mean by? who for pitney and who for pitney and who for one. I got no answer. Yeah, just said they did your long shot talks and said in my jacket. I'm not gonna pay that mine. She could have talked till she blew. I'm not gonna pay that mine more than we don't know. We don't know the plan, the chip of them are plan. And we already know. This Disney chip and the foreign income will come out is what she assist her.